Hi, so this is Nate Wood with the Springs Crew BMX, and I'm gonna just do a bike check real quick. Here's my bike. It's pretty good. I really like the black and chrome and brown theme. Starting off, we got the Odyssey Tom Dugan grips. They look really beat up because I've had them for like 6 months now. I got really beat up Mutiny bar ends. You can't even see the Mutiny logo, I don't think. Really beat up though. Next up we got chrome United Regal bars. Got these a while back. Really nice. They are an 8.75 rise with 30 width, I believe. Really nice. Just put a Mutiny sticker there because I like Mutiny. Next up, we got the Sunday Freeze top load stem. Sunday logo right there. Sunday logo again. Then we got the Odyssey Pro headset with one spacer. Really nice. And then my frame is the 2012 GT Bump. It was a complete, and I've obviously done a lot of changes to my bike. I have some stock fit forks. I traded some kid at the skate park for them because I didn't want red forks anymore. Not sure if you could see this, but my dropout is bent. It used to be bent more. And I got DK pegs from Walmart. I believe I paid $5 for them, for two. They actually work really well. I really like them actually. And then, yes, that is the bottom of an Arizona T-Can. I'm using that as my front hub guard. I haven't tested it out yet because I haven't been able to ride because the weather here has been crap. But that's what I have right there. I have a stock hub with a volume sticker. You can kind of see it there. Stock hub. It used to be black, and I'm not sure what happened to it, and now it's like this bronze kind of color. My rim is an Alienation Black Sheep rim. Kind of old. Then again, this was a complete bike from 2012. Got an Empire sticker there. And my tires, the Odyssey Aaron Ross tires, they're not the best. I want to get better tires soon. And then we just got Merit sticker there. Probably can't even see it. Going down, we got the United Supreme sprocket. It says United, like, right there. Probably can't even see it. This is United Super 8? Yeah. Sorry if I said Supreme. This is the Super 8 sprocket and polished. I thought it looked really clean, so I got it. I have stock cranks. I plan on getting new ones soon. I mean, they've held up. They're decent. I mean, I can't hate them, you know. And then we've got United Supreme pedals. No logo on them. They used to have a logo right here, only it's kind of worn off. The pins on this side are good, but on my grind side, there are no pins at all. Like, look at that. Just because I've been using it to balance myself, so I would not recommend these pedals for like grinding, but anything else is good really, like if you do flow or park. Next we have the wow, I've really messed up this video a lot. Anyways, KMC premium chain. It's held up really nicely. Yeah. And then we got a fit seat post in polished with a brown fit leather seat. Well, fake leather, but there's the fit logo. There's a side profile. I really like the seat. I thought it looked good. So, and it's relatively comfortable. And then I got Costa Rica bracelet that I got when I was there. And then my back wheel is a stock hub, placed to another Alienation Black Sheep rim, and then another Air NOS tire. And then on the back side, I have a Daily Grind Universal Rear Hub Guard. Really nice. I got it for $10 from a friend for super cheap, brand new. And then I got a DK peg again. So, yeah, that's my bike check. Hope you liked it. And, yeah, you should subscribe, like, comment, do whatever.